Namaste. When it comes to manifestation, the first thing that comes to our mind is setting goals, having intentions, going after what we want, visualizing, writing, affirming. Basically, we are trying to go after something that we desire. But the truth is, manifestation is not so much about chasing. It is about allowing. How do you really allow? What is the secret to allowing? One word: detachment. How do you really practice detachment and manifestation? On one hand, you have a focus, you have a desire, you know you have to go after that goal. On the other hand, you also have to switch off from thinking and worrying about your goal all the time. Let's understand how to practice detachment in simple, practical ways. Firstly, if you haven't done it already, you must identify what you really want and put it down on paper. It is difficult to go after something that you're not very clear about. So if you haven't first done this, please take a moment to identify what do you really want. What is it that really makes you happy, excited? Something that generates passion within you, because that is the goal you really should go after. If you have already written down your goal and perhaps you've been trying to manifest it, but you can't stop yourself from worrying, doubting, thinking, is this going to happen? When is this going to happen? Or a very common question I often get, Doctor, why it hasn't happened yet for me? I am trying so much. Well, somewhere you have answered the question for yourself. You're trying so much that you kind of get desperate and sometimes even obsessed about something you want. So the moment there is an obsession for something, there could be an imbalance in your energy. Perhaps you are not valuing what you have in your life today. You think, I will only be happy if I have this in my life. Having something that you go after is not a bad thing, but becoming obsessed about it and desperate for it is the real problem. So here is how you can really go step by step to get detached. What if you could manifest your desired goals in your life and also help others achieve and live their best life? Well, the Law of Attraction and Manifestation Train the Trainer course is all about taking you deeper into the secrets of mind and manifestation. It will give you exactly all the tools, techniques, and rituals you need to go deeper into reprogramming your own subconscious mind. At the same time, identify dominant thought patterns and emotional blockages that often stop people from achieving their goals. This Train the Trainer program is going to be a practical roadmap for you to go from where you are to where you want to be, and also take your clients along the way. It's going to cover a lot of in-depth study modules, videos, as well as assignments to help you understand where you stand physically, mentally, emotionally, and how you can elevate yourself, raise your vibration, and manifest your desired life with more power, ease, joy, with divine guidance and grace. To know more about the Train the Trainer Law of Attraction program, please get in touch with my team or visit the website www.drkarishmaahuja.com. I look forward to seeing you soon. Firstly, choose a time every day where you will connect with your goal. Best time to do this is in the morning, before you head out for work, before you start your daily chores. Sit down with yourself, take a pen and paper, write down in the present tense that you already have your goal. For example, I'm so happy and grateful now that I have manifested my dream home, or maybe I've attracted my dream job. Whatever it is for you, put it down in the present tense. A lot of times we get desperate for something because the message I am putting out through my daily practices is, I don't have it yet. When your vibration is getting so attached to your outcome and the feeling you're putting out is, I don't have it yet, I don't have it yet, I don't have it yet, that's what the subconscious mind is going to go after. It's going to go after desperation, disappointments, even opportunities lost, because it mirrors whatever you are feeling. Instead, if you stay detached by connecting with your goal in the morning and then releasing the intention to the universe, that detachment sends a message to the universe, I know it's going to happen. But for that, you need to spend some time connecting with your goal in a positive way, as if it's already happened. So, write down the sentence every day for few minutes, could be 10 minutes. Choose a time and dedicatedly every day with consistency write, I'm so happy and grateful now that I have manifested this in my life. Now, once you have finished your few minutes of writing, maybe 10 minutes of writing, close the book. Take a moment to sit with yourself in silence, smile and say, I trust this is something that materializes in my life with God's grace and ease. Use a statement that reinforces the idea that you deserve this very goal in your life. So, I trust this materializes or happens for me with ease and grace. Or you can even use a statement like, I am grateful to God for bringing me so much happiness and joy in my life through this goal. Something which reiterates the fact that you trust God and the universe with your goal. Now, as you have finished this exercise, it is your job to get to the rest of your day with a smile. So, whatever task now you're about to undertake, make sure you approach it with a lot of confidence and with present moment consciousness. This is where we go wrong. When it comes to manifestation, we think I have to think about my goal all the time. Otherwise, how will my subconscious mind know that I want it? That is not true. That is a myth and a misconception. The manifestation process is going to gain power when you take few moments of focused approach and concentration on your goal. So as you have done this exercise of writing, now get to the rest of your day with a smile, staying mindful. Whatever you're doing, do it to the best of your ability. So really this step is about enjoying every moment. When you're talking to someone, remind yourself, this is the most important person for me. This moment has been chosen by God for me. So whether you're at work, whether you're at home doing some regular household work, whether you're out with someone, keep telling yourself, this moment has been chosen by God. You see, the moment I do this, I stop myself from worrying about the future or even staying upset about the past. So many of us stay stuck with the thought, this should have happened with me earlier. Why hasn't it happened? Or they're worried about the future. Am I going to get there? Am I missing out on a good opportunity? So the moment there is worry for the future or there is resentment for the past, I'm out of the present moment. Manifestation suffers in the process. This moment has been chosen by God for me. Whatever you are doing, all through the day, practice it. You see, your mind will take you to the past or to the future. Your job is to bring yourself back by saying, this moment has been chosen by God. Let me focus here. Let me enjoy it to the best of my ability. This is a wonderful way to practice detachment. So present moment consciousness is what you have to practice. And trust me, it's a habit, you have to develop it. Every day with practice, you get better and better. The next step is really about valuing what you have. You see, manifestation is not about connecting yourself to the future with a space of lack. It's about connecting to the future with a space of gratitude. So really, this step is about valuing what you have by identifying all the good things happening in your life. Before you sleep, make sure you identify or pull out what are the good things that happened with you in the day. Few things. Maybe somebody spoke well. Maybe somebody helped you. Maybe you received some support unexpectedly. Write about it. It could take a moment, recall it, write it down in your diary. Identify something good about yourself. Identify something good that happened with you. Maybe something good about your life in general. Write about it. It will take you only a couple of minutes, but do this practice. This is one way to practice detachment. Why? Because when you're writing about what went well, you are not complaining or coming from a feeling that I'm missing out on something. I don't have this yet. Your vibration is sending a message. It's saying, I value my life. So this vibration that goes out into the universe is helping the universe send you more things that you really deserve, more things that you desire. The next step is about dealing with negative feelings. Whenever you identify yourself feeling fear, worry, doubt, or even resentment towards any aspect of your life, it is important to allow this feeling to get released. Easy way is you practice letting go by saying, Universe, God, Divine, I give this feeling to you. Please take care of it. Whatever the feeling is. Now that could be just doubt coming to you all the time. It could just be resentment for something that happened. Let go of it, because these resentments, these doubts, this feeling of wanting control all the time keeps you away from your manifestation. And so practice surrendering. Let go of the need to control everything. It is okay if I don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. It is okay if my day didn't go perfect. I'm not looking for perfection. I'm looking for progress. I'm looking for growth. And if you want to practice detachment, value your present moment and let go of negative feelings. Practice this on an hourly basis. Let's say you're someone who stays angry and bitter or upset most of the times, or you notice that your mood falls all the time. You don't feel good most of the times in the day. Then set an alarm or a reminder for yourself. Every 1 hour in the day, I am going to smile, and whatever I'm feeling, I will say, God, I give this to you. Universe, I offer this to you. Start doing this and see how your vibration changes from desperation and obsession to faith and surrender. Most importantly, this surrender comes with a sense of sweetness. You begin to develop more faith in yourself, in your abilities, including in the universe. You trust divine timing. You are someone who's setting intentions in the morning, but you are practicing releasing these intentions with ease, trusting that whatever must happen for your good to materialize will indeed happen, and God will choose it to happen in the right manner, in the right way, at the perfect time. So, two blockages that often come in manifestation indeed are doubt and control. Both these keep you attached to your outcomes. Outcomes are what you deserve. It is not wrong to set outcomes. It is about getting too attached to the outcomes that creates blockages in your manifestation journey. So through these steps of setting intentions and then practicing to release them with present moment consciousness, gratitude and surrender allows you to work on releasing negative feelings and also developing faith that you indeed are a child of God in the universe. So before you sleep at night, make sure you align yourself with the energy of the universe. How? Review your day. Take few seconds to look back at your day. Did I trust enough today? Did I love enough today? Was I confident enough? Was I smiling? Did I put my best in everything? Did I enjoy my day? Even if the answers you get are, no, I did not enjoy, no, I did not do my best, encourage yourself like a parent encourages the child. Say, no, it's okay, tomorrow we'll do a better job. So remember, every day, trust a little more. Let go a little more. And you will see how you get into perfect alignment with the energy of the universe. Energy which is power, which is peace, which is love, which is abundance. So remind yourself, I deserve. And all that I need comes to me at the perfect time under divine grace. Here's wishing you all the best in your manifestation journey. If you enjoyed this video, then do share it with others, subscribe to this channel and stay connected with all the tools and techniques I'm sharing.